Manufacturers are recommending or requiring certain services to be performed on a vehicle to maintain optimum running condition. When we don't, follow by MSMS, we may experience issues with running ability with the car. You might have a warning light that comes on. A lot of vehicles nowadays have technology implemented into the computer system to tell the driver or the owner of the vehicle what's due and when. A lot of times we get in, turn the key, put it in drive, press the gas, press the brakes, and until there's a problem, we think that everything's okay. However, we don't know how that engine's running, how those brakes are performing, how those tires are wearing. That's absolutely false. It's meant to help you maintain the condition of your vehicle. The manufacturer puts these guidelines in place and recommendations in place so that you can enjoy your car for an extra 20 or 50 or 100 or even 200,000 miles over when you got it, if you didn't buy it brand new. You may end up paying more money not complying with the manufacturer recommended services. Those fluids they wear, they break down over time, whether it's becoming acidic or they have a high copper content in the brake fluid. That's actually a really good one because a lot of people are like, why would I change my brake fluid?